rotted out decks. Rob Wilson with South Tampa Teardowns.com, just walking you around the back side of this deck here. You can see where it's literally coming apart from, I don't know if it's moisture or termites and things like that. Actually, this whole chunk of it has come off. Not sure all the details, but the great thing is when you sell your property to a builder, it doesn't matter if the roof's coming apart or the deck's coming apart. We're going to tear it down. So if you've got an older, smaller home in South Tampa, if it's got a lot of wood rot and other damage to the property that you're concerned about, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199. We're closing on this property later on this morning, and we can close on yours too. My number is 813-784-4199. I'm Rob Wilson, the Director of Dirt at Exit Bayshore Realty, and you can also request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com.